Okay, hello everybody. Welcome to another pour video. I've got in the description below, I have all the colors and everything if you're wondering what I'm using. As far as the ratios go, I always like to tell you because we try different ratios just to kind of see how things come out. It's about half and half. Sometimes we'll do more, sometimes we'll do less. It's generally about half and half between the Floetrol and the paint. That's the ratio. So I've got pink paint in here. And what I did is I used the coconut milk stuff, like I said, description below, and the actual silicone blaster that a lot of people use. Normally people use one or the other. I put both of them in there. I put the coconut milk stuff, I put a drop in there, stirred it in, and then sprayed a little bit of the blaster silicone, stirred it in, and then sprayed a little on top. I'm really trying to use a lot to see if it helps the cells or not. And then I'm gonna try to do something a little different here. So what I was gonna try to do here, and we'll start right now, is try to pour like a little bit in the middle there, and then kind of just pour around it. And then cover it with black and white and try to swipe it and see what happens. All right. So I've got some glitter paint here too. Okay. And you know what? Let's put a little bit of black in there, even though it'll be mostly black. All right. Whoops. That started to come out quick, didn't it? The black and the white we obviously use a lot, so we put these in little mustard and ketchup squeeze bottles. You can buy actual bottles for the paint, but they're like 5 times more expensive for the same thing. So got these little cheap bottles here. Put a little bit of white. All the black and white is about, I think it's roughly half and half, maybe a little more Floetrol than paint, but generally that's about where it's at. What color's next? Then we got the blue. Like a nice little target sign, huh? And the last one here is this glitter paint, kind of a different color glitter paint. Okay, and let's go ahead. I'm kind of curious if I should just leave that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna pour a little more pink in the middle so it spreads a little better. And I also add a lot of distilled water to the paint too, to kind of help loosen it up. To get, you experiment with different consistencies if you're going to use it. This is kind of, it's still pretty thick. I put a lot of water in there and it's still pretty thick. But like I say, you got to experiment with it and find what works best for you there. I definitely know the thinner it is, the quicker it moves. That's for sure. Okay. Let's do this one again. Just a little bit, and like I said, I'm not gonna do the pink, so I'll do a little more of this one. And like I say, I have no idea how it's gonna come out. This is just kind of messing around here a little bit. And let's see, let's get a little more white on there. Okay. And let's finish it up with black here. All in there. It probably would be better if this was a little bit thinner, actually, to be honest, but it is what it is. I definitely have a lot left over though. I have these cups over here and still got more in them, but that's good because we always take our little 6x6 canvases and pour our leftovers on them. That way nothing goes to waste. And we even have the silicone mats catching the stuff below. We let the paint dry and make jewelry out of it. Because we don't want anything to go to waste, and because we need money, we're broke. We love doing it, but I also need the money. All right, now see, this is what I was thinking. Do I just swipe like this and see what happens? No, I'm not gonna do that. What I wanna do is I kinda wanted to try to push the, oh, you know what? I've seen people do this different ways. I wonder if I should, can I blow the black? See, this would be nice where if it had a swivel, it'd be really cool. Oh, that looks kind of cool right there, doesn't it? But let me see, let me just try to get a little more black in there. Oh, I don't know what to do. I'm not sure if I should just start swiping out like I was planning on doing or put more black on it. You know what? I think I'm just going to swipe out like this, and then we'll experiment and maybe do another one. With all black over and see what happens. But let's just try this. See where some of the canvas is missing there, but you put the Floetrol in the paint, it really starts to flatten out and cover the areas it's missing. I'm gonna call this kind of like a pink star or pink nebula or something like that. Looks cool, but yeah, I think I'm gonna have to really go crazy with it, I think. So I really want to start busting up the paint to get them cells to activate there. We're getting to go all the way in there and drag that across. Looks a little bit better, doesn't it? A little bit. See, it's starting to kind of spread there. So let's try doing this now. Oh shoot! Oh gosh darn it! Well, I could probably put more pink in there. Fix that. I need to get the black in the middle there. I don't poke the canvas here. Okay, that's kind of cool. Let's experiment a little here. You know, I like the way the drag looks dragging through it better. Just see some areas where I really want to get it a little better like that. And the more I do this, the more it starts to break up those cells. Oh, that looks cool. That pink's kind of right there at the end. I think I just got to kind of keep dragging the paint through to really get that, all the different colors to kind of come through there. Now I should put some more pink in the middle, huh? Shoot, that one was too straight. So it's that one. Ooh, yeah, look at that nice dragon pink there. I don't know if it's gonna actually show up or not, but. Okay. We're starting to look pretty cool. See, I really like how this is mixing here. It's not quite doing the same over here. Maybe I didn't swirl it enough, maybe. At least all the canvas is getting covered there. Alright, well, that's good. Let's get a little more pink here in the middle. I'm wondering if I should. This is going to do anything. It's too small. Sometimes you gotta be careful mixing. Start to mix the colors too much, and they just become it starts to become like this blob together. So, man, some parts I really like, and some parts I don't. I think where I blew, I don't like that part where I blew that out there. I wonder if I can take that one a little bit. Okay, I'm kind of liking this. I think this looks pretty cool. I'll put a little more pink in the middle just to try to get it to make sure it covers everything there. I think I'm gonna have to kind of mix it a little bit just because I did that. Yeah, that's better. I just need to drag a couple more things out though, so it doesn't look so purposely done that way. You know, it seems like, what are you doing? Just stop. But I have a hard time doing that to keep messing with it. All right, I think that looks pretty cool. I got a nice little star blast. Let me get the sides all covered here. It's fully covered all over. It's better when you use a lot, when you use more than what you think you need to cover. The nice thing is it drips off the sides and kind of keeps the pattern going. You know, if you don't have enough, then you've got to do what I'm doing here and kind of tap the sides so it doesn't quite look as cool, but you know, as long as it matches, you're fine, because no one's really looking at the side too much. So I think I'll take a little bit of fire to this and see if I can get a little more sellage out of here. But I'm thinking, you know, if I would have dragged some if I would have dragged some cardboard or paper towel or wet paper towel over it or something, I think the cells would have really popped out. But I was kind of trying to, once I started, decided to go for a little bit of a different look there. Okay. Whoop, gosh darn, I keep kicking this camera. I am sorry about that. All right, you can see the middle starting to flow together. I just don't know. I like it except for that middle part. I wonder if something you know what? I wonder if I can take this little tool or even a little stick. What happens if I try to? Yeah. Maybe just kind of bring this out a little more. Whoops. looks, yeah, I'm liking how that's coming out much better. Cooler. Just a little bit in the middle there, just to help it cover all the canvas there. And mix it together here just so it looks even. See, and the Floetrol will help to slowly just work itself back down. Yeah. Just trying to kind of even it out to make it look a little more like an even circle, but that's okay. I know you guys have probably said stop about 10 times. It's fine, leave it alone. And you're probably right. All right, well, that looks pretty cool. Let me get the camera, show you a little bit. Let me wipe my hands off and I'll show you a little bit of a closer look there. This little part should flow together, but I'm going to give it just a little bit of help. Alright. And it's a little bumpy there, but it'll slowly start to flow down there. Okay. Yeah, this is looking pretty cool. I'm liking this one. Say that in every one. Oh, looking pretty cool. The light's so bright on it, it's kind of hard to get the colors. Colors. I am a nightmare walking psychopath talking. Iced tea, anybody? Iced tea? Old school colors? What do you mean you didn't listen to gangster rap? You didn't grow up on old gangster rap? Come on, you didn't grow up in the 90s? Alright. Yeah, liking this one a lot. Right in the center there. Yeah, I'm childish. Alright, well, hey, God, that is like the 4th time I've kicked this stupid tripod. Sorry about that. Alright, like, share, sub, all that good stuff. Hope you liked it. Leave the comments below. Let me know what you think. We will see you on the next one.